Different types of commercial buildings need different types of roofings. There are numerous types of roofs that can be installed on a commercial building depending on what the owners want to achieve, be it energy efficiency, aesthetics, or durability. Landmark Construction Crew is a BPI certified commercial roofing contractor in Los Angeles that has been installing commercial roofing on buildings such as apartment complexes, industrial buildings, office buildings, schools, health institutions, and retail outlets for over 10 years. Landmark Construction Crew provides installation and repair of commercial roofings such as thermoplastic roofing, solar panels, green roofs, ethylene propylene diene monomer, also known as EPDM, polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC, and asphalt rolled roofing. We offer affordable commercial roofing services in Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, and Orange County. Call for a free on-site consultation and estimate today, or visit us on the web for more information. Landmark Construction Crew, your contractor for life.